This brand is from Dakin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Dakin Industries Limited, and it is their builder grade line of units. The units use louvered panel construction, which does a good job of protecting the condenser coil from physical damage due to lawnmower debris or hail, but they only have an average warranty. The warranty does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has pretty much become the industry standard. The VSZ14 units have a 9 HSPF heating rating and are economically priced, but they use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. They have reliable scroll compressors and smart shift technology for quieter operation when going into the defrost mode. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.